Bowling Green, Kentucky with the R8 and the Maserati. What's going on, guys? Car review guys here. My name's AJ, and today we are going to take the Maserati and the R8 over to Spartech Performance and also Full Traction Media, if I remember correctly, and we're gonna do a photo shoot with the two cars together, so it should be pretty sweet. I'll definitely put a link to their website so you can check them out. Without further ado, we're gonna get a cold start on the Maserati, then we're gonna cold start on the Audi R8. Let's roll. Maserati, got the keys, and by the way, this is a legit cold start. It is like, oh, I don't even know, like 30 degrees, and it's like with wind chill like 19. It's cold. All right, let's get this thing started. My hand is literally shaking, it's so cold. I'll turn that down. Oh, it sounds good. Yeah. See, it's cold. Sounding good. All right, now we gotta duck back. We gotta get under here to the Audi R8. Stability, terrible, sorry, but anyway, 2009 Audi R8 with straight pipe exhaust. Here we go.
Tonight we will fly above the sky. We are heroes too.
Gotta say, the Maserati looks actually pretty good from the backside. I mean, you know, what do you guys think? I think it looks good. I mean, yeah. Spartech Performance and Spartan 4x4. We've arrived, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. So, we were gonna try to get pictures down there, but it's flooded. There's a bridge here, hold on, it's blurry. Yep, right there, you can kind of see the edges of it right in there, and it's totally flooded. It was gonna be epic, and that's not so epic. There'll still be cool stuff though. You guys will see it. He's doing his work even as we speak. You can see the car sitting up there. Maserati's further back. We're walking back. Hard place to turn around, so kept it up here in our driveway. We thought a little smarter, so yep. So for anyone that thinks there's not a big house in Bowling Green, there you go. Bowling Green, Kentucky with the R8 and the Maserati. That's how we do it.
Several days later.
As you guys can tell, it is a new day. Yeah, got busy. It is what it is. Long story short, today's video has been sponsored by Audew. This is a car diagnostic scanner, which is OBD2, and I'm going to show you guys very quickly how to use it because it's actually pretty nifty because it's completely wireless. Let's roll. Alright, so it comes in this little box, real small, as you can tell. Basically just yank it out, and then you just flip it open. You get the little booklet, which it tells you how to go step by step, which is pretty neat. And then obviously you have the device, and on the back you can actually scan, as you can see there, whether you have, oh, if I can get it to focus for you guys, Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, so anyway, so you can see right there, Android or iOS, depending on what you have, Apple, whatever. And yeah, you can scan it on your phone, and that's how you get the app. So very easy. Now, most cars, OBD2 is down here. In this case, this is a Chevy Trax, and it is right there. So you just literally take it and plug it in, and that's it. All right, jumped on my phone. Literally all I had to do was just plug the device in down there like I already showed you, pull up the app, which I just scanned on the back of it, and just hit this little Bluetooth icon up there, as you can see. Zoom in, clear it up for you. Oh my goodness, so bad. So anyway, so got that, and then you can do whatever you want. There's so many different things on this menu, as you can see. Read, clear, live data, O2 sensor, vehicle info. So in this case, vehicle info, and you can, I mean, it has everything on there. Which in this case, you do have to put your car in accessories mode. I tried to turn it off because it is dinging. So hit back on this. And there you go. You can see VIN number and yada yada, all this different information that's there. So yeah, actually pretty cool. I don't have any check engine lights or anything like that, so I can't really show you as far as that would go. But if I ever have some in the future, I'll show you because it's kind of cool. It makes it easy. Literally, I plug it in, unplug it, and yeah. And anyway, just like that, Audew, link in the description below as far as the discount code. So yeah, check it out. Link in the description below. My goodness, I can't talk. Anyway, moving on. So now, actually, we're gonna have to take the Maserati, assuming it will start, over to Firestone. We have an interstate battery in this car, which is under warranty, and we need to get a new battery for this car. So, long story short, let's see if it's gonna start. I mean, I hope it does, because if not, then I have to take the battery out. I'm not a turn wrenches type person. Not that I won't, I used to, and I will, but it can be very frustrating and humbling, and yeah, I'd rather them do it. It's a lot easier. So anyway, let's see if it'll start. All right, let's roll. Come on, start. You can do it. Yes. Guys, I know it seems like a small win, but I didn't want to, yeah, I'm just happy it started. Yeah, definitely. Hey, let's ride. I'm not gonna say that we're gonna make some noise under that, but I would turn the volume up, and headphone users beware. Yeah. All right, we've made it here to Firestone. Not bringing you guys in though. Yeah, gonna go get this taken care of. I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, we're just now pulling out of the parking lot. Good news, battery's under warranty. They're getting it taken care of. Love it whenever that plan comes together, because obviously it should be under warranty. It's less than like 2 years old, so good news. And they already tested it. Yep, definitely need a new battery. So long story short, we're on our way to go get some Moe's. If you guys know what I'm talking about, a little food vlog action. So hey, if you don't know what Moe's is, go Google it on up, because it's really good. Just saying. Yeah, anyway, moving on. So I didn't film at Moe's, but like we brought it home, and I mean, yeah, welcome to Moe's. It's so good. What's going on, guys? So today is obviously a new day. Nice and sunny outside, but the real topic of today's video, and that is, what are the next modifications going on the 2009 Audi R8, which is right there. But first, we're gonna pull it out of the garage, and before we can pull it out of the garage, oh, Trax is in the way, so you know, you guys are gonna like this, because guess what? We got remote start. Hold on, just hold on a minute. So, cold start, 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Got the big 4-cylinder in there. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, moving on. That was embarrassing. All right, so to be honest, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna start. It's been like, I don't know, 2 weeks since it started. Long story short, 40 degrees outside, definitely a cold start, gonna sound great. So let's do it. Usually I like put the camera like, you know, behind the car, in front of the car, or whatever, towards outside. And I've seen a couple of comments to where they're like, oh, the car is actually like not that loud. That's, you know, the camera has to be outside for it to sound that loud. I can assure you, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out being in here, but it's loud. So without further ado, 2009 Audi R8 straight piped V8. Sounds pretty good, just saying. I like it. Alright, let's pull it out the garage. Alright, we've got it outside now. The first modification on the 2009 Audi R8 we're doing a design to the rack. That's right, it is going to be one of a kind, one off, never done before by EA Traps, so you guys are gonna wanna give them a follow. It's gonna be legendary. All over the internet, only R8 like it. I'm telling you, you guys wait till you see it. You think I'm just hyping it up? That's fine, that's fine. Just, hey, keyboard warriors, watch up, watch up. So, that's the very next thing. Second item on the list, I've talked about it before, we need a color on the calipers that's going to pop, for sure. So I haven't totally decided on the color yet, so you're gonna have to kind of stay tuned for that, but that's the next modification. And then there's one more, which I've kind of talked about before in previous videos. I'm not gonna say it today, so if you really wanna go dig for it, go dig for it. But those are the next 3 modifications to this car in the near future. There's more further out later this year maybe, but those are the ones 100% guaranteed gonna happen within the next like month and a half. So get ready. We're getting ready for car show season, you know, track season, whatever we're gonna do with this car this year. It's gonna be epic. Just like that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little pieced together, but it's the name of the game. You gotta do what you gotta do. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Please like, please subscribe. You guys have a great day. Peace.